Okay, children, today I am going to start about the fourth English unit to the poem Savings Law. Unit to the poem. Let us sing. What does human sing? So this is the memory poem. Standard 4 English. Turn to here. What do humans say? The heading of the poem is நம்ம என்ன சேவ் பண்றோம்? What do humans save? So this is the heading. Let us sing. Let us sing. Page number 96. Okay. So in this poem, yes, ants pile food in the ant hill. They eat it during the winter still. Ants pile. Ants pile. Ants na தெரியும். Piles food. அதோட ஃபுட்டை வந்து சேர்த்து வச்சுக்கோம். In the ant hill. எறும்பு புட்டு மாதிரி சேர்த்து வைக்கும். They eat it during the winter still. During the winter time, it will be very chill. So that time they will eat it. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in the channels. You know the moles in the previous lesson we learnt about the moles. They will dig the tunnels under the sand and the மண்ணு கடியில் ஒரு பெரிய tunnel மாதிரி ஓப்பன் பண்ணி they will put the holes in the channels and in that holes they will save the worms. So moles dig long and winding tunnels. So அந்த மண்ணு கடியில் போய் லாங்காக ஒரு tunnel மாதிரி it will move and then save worms in the channels. The குட்டி குட்டி channelsல it will save the worms. And crocodiles are found in many countries. Crocodiles are found in many countries. They store food in the pantries. Pantries in the storeroom. அவங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு இடம். So they store the food in the pantries. Squirrels reserve food in a larder. Squirrels வந்து animal. This reserves food in a larder means in a storeroom or anywhere. So squirrels பார்த்தீங்கன்னா some of the houses they will the kitchen shelf at the loft anywhere in the bag or anything they will save the reserve the food in the larder. Larder means a storeroom. Okay, a large storeroom with a cupboard for storing food or cupboard மாதிரி இருக்கும் a storing room. They store a 7-course meal with a starter. So everything they will collect and keep it in the room or in the shelf. And leopards keep their prey on a tree. Leopards means சிறுத்தை. They keep their prey. Prey means food on a tree. அது ட்ரீல வச்சுக்குமா. And eat them when they are free. So எப்போ ஃப்ரீயாக இருக்குமோ they will eat. And farmers store the harvest in a granary. So farmers என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அவங்க ஃபீல்டில் they will grow the crops. அந்த crops எல்லாம் அறுவடை பண்ணி they will keep it in the granary. Granary means where they are storing the grains. அவங்க அந்த நெல் அந்த அரிசி அதெல்லாமே ஸ்டோர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு இடம் இருக்கும். தட் பிளேஸ் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் தி கிரானரி. அண்ட் சூன் டு பி பேக்ட் இன் ஏ கேனரி. அதெல்லாம் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி ஒரு இடத்துல ஆஃப்டர் தட் தே வில் பேக்ட் இன் ஏ சாக் ஆர் இன் ஏ டின்ஸ் ஆர் கேன்ஸ். ஸோ தட் கேனரி மீன்ஸ் எ பிளேஸ் வேர் த ஃபுட் இஸ் பேக்ட் வித் கேன்ஸ் ஆர் சாக். ஸோ ஃபார்மர்ஸ் தே ஸ்டோர் த ஹார்வெஸ்ட் ஆனது பயிர் கிரெயின்ஸ் எல்லாம் க்ராப்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஹார்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் தே வில் புட் இட் இன் granary and soon to be packed in a cannery. Cannery means in a cans or tins or sack bags. So what do you save? As a human, நம்ம என்ன சேவ் பண்ணோம்? Everything that nature gave. What all the nature gave, we have been saving this. So in this poem, so ant is storing his food in the winter time in a ant hill. ஓகே, எறும்பு புத்துன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த மோல்ஸ் அது வந்து லாங் டனல்ஸை மண்ணு கடியில் டிக் பண்ணி தோண்டி அதில் இட் சேவ் த வார்ம்ஸ். அண்ட் crocodiles they store their food in the pantries, in the storage room அதுங்களுக்கு. So they store their food. And squirrels they reserve their food in the larder, that is in a large room or a cupboard. And they store a 7-course meal with a starter. Everything they will starterலேருந்து என்ன மீல்ஸ் இருக்கோ it will store. And leopards, they keep their prey on a tree only and eat them when they are free. And farmers in Apuranga, they store the harvest in the granary and soon to be packed in a cannery. So what do you save? நீங்க என்ன save பண்ணுவீங்க? Everything that nature gives. So here glossary also they are given. Pile, to collect. Then pantries is storage room. Prey, an animal that is hunted and killed by another for food. Preyனா இறை, ஒரு அனிமலுக்கு ஒன்று இன்னொரு அனிமல் சாப்பிடுது. அண்ட் கிரானரி a storehouse for threshed grain, அதாவது நெல்லுலேருந்து அரிசிலாம் எடுத்து அதெல்லாம் பதப்படுத்தி எடுத்து வைக்கிறது granary, a storehouse for the threshed grain. Cannery, a place where the food is packed in cans or tins. Now I'll write the poem. We'll learn this poem, children. Okay. So ants pile food. Piles food in the ant hill. Then they eat it during the winter's chill. Then moles dig. So two lines you can learn. Moles dig long and winding tunnels. Moles dig long and winding tunnels. And then crocodiles are found. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in channels. And save worms in channels. Okay. Then crocodiles are found in many countries. Crocodiles are found many countries. So if there is no space, you can write it down like this. You should not start from the starting line. Okay, countries. They store food in their pantries. So they store food in the pantries. Okay. So two lines you can learn. Squirrels reserve food in the larder. Squirrels reserve food in larder. L-A-R. Ladder illa larder. They store a 7-course meal with a starter. They store a 7-course meal. 7-course meal with starter. Then leopards keep their prey on a tree. Leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. And eat them when they are free. Okay. Farmers store the harvest in the granary. Farmers store the harvest. Store the harvest in the granary. Soon to be packed in a cannery. Soon to be packed in a cannery. Okay. Then what do you save? நம்ம என்ன save பண்ற as a human beings? What do you save? For this one is the question mark they are given. Everything nature that gave. So nature what all we are getting it, that we are saving. Everything that nature gave. Okay, this is the poem for you children. Okay. So shall I read out this one time? Ants pile food in the anthill. They eat it during the winter's chill. Holes dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in channels. Crocodiles are found in many countries. They store their food in pantries. Squirrels reserve food in larder, and they store a 7-course meal with starter. And leopards keep their prey on tree and eat them when they are free. Farmers store the harvest in the granary, soon to be packed in a cannery. What do you save? Everything that nature gave. Okay, this is the poem for you. So you can memorize this poem, children. Now, the next one is, we are going to see the meanings they are given. Glossary they are given, no? So, glossary we will say, this is from page number 97. Glossary, pile, to collect. Pile means to collect. Then pantries. Pantries is a storage room. A storage room. Then third one, prey. Prey na irai. An animal that is hunted and killed by another person. Hunted and killed by another for food. And next one, granary. Granary is a storehouse for threshed grain. Threshed grain. Okay. And the next one is cannery. Fifth one, C-A-N-A-R-Y. This is granary and this is the cannery. So cannery is a place where the food is packed in cans or tins. A place where the food is packed. Where the food is packed in cans or tins. Okay. So this is the glossary. And now the next one is, fill in the blanks with the rhyming words. Fill in the blanks with the rhyming words. So only few they are given, rhyming words. So that is easy only. Ant hill. First one is ant hill. So we have to write winter's chill. That means winter's chill. Okay. Then second one, tunnels. Tunnels means channels. Tunnels is channels. Then third one, larder. That is the starter. Then fourth one, free, and that is free. And now next we'll move on to the answer the following. The same page only they are given. So answer the following. Answer the following is small only. Where do the ants pile their food? Do the ants pile their food? So the ants pile their food in the ant hills. The ants pile their food in the anthill. Okay, so this is the answer. And the second one, where do the crocodiles save? Where do the crocodiles save? The crocodiles save their food. Crocodiles save in their pantries. Save their food in their pantries. Okay. And the next one, last question, this is, what do you say? Why is it needed? What do you say? Why is it needed? What do you say and why is it needed? We say we have to save everything that nature gave. We have to save everything that nature gave. Nature gave. It is needed. It is needed for our future generation. Future generations. Okay. So this is the poem and the question answers. So where do the ants pile their food? The ants pile their food in the anthill. Where do the crocodiles save? The crocodiles save their food in their pantries. Okay, so this is the answer. And what do you save and why is it needed? We have to save everything that nature gave. It is needed for our future generation. So this is the poem, the glossary and the rhyming words, everything. Okay, children. So once again I read out the poem. Ants pile their food in the anthill. They do it during the winter chill. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in the channels. Crocodiles are found in many countries. Okay. They store food in the pantries. Squirrels reserve food in larder. They store a 7-course meal with starter. Leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. Farmers store the harvest in a granary, soon to be packed in a cannery. What do you save? Everything that nature gave. Okay. And now the question answer, where do the ants pile their food? The ants pile their food in the anthill. Where do the crocodiles save? The crocodiles save their food in the pantries. What do you save and why is it needed? We have to save everything that nature gave. It is needed for our future generations. And memorize the poem, children. This is the homework for you. Memorize the poem fully. What's the name of the poem is? What do humans say? Memorize the poem. What do humans say? Okay, so this is it. So this is the homework. So you can learn this, children. We will see the next exercise in the next class.